Hi everyone, it's day 94. So yesterday we left at a point where we tested the old APIs. Today we will start testing our new APIs which we built. So if you see the Jira task, you will find that the task of backend is almost in the progress. Just a minute, it's just loading, and in that progress only the testing part is left. So and we are doing that. So let's get back to the code. And if you remember, we were testing all of these in the Postman. But what I found a easier method to create a YAML file. So I have just created the YAML file to test all the APIs. So let's run the server first. And when the server will start, just wait for a minute. The server is just starting. And the YAML file, I have been using it in the Swagger thing. And now you can see the same YAML file has been written here, and it is generating something like this to test our APIs. So the server has started, and we have tested API profile. We have tested about posts. So let's try it out. Say page is 1 per page. I want 10. So now you can see it added the header. So how header is added? Based on that, the header is basically added as this part. It failed to fetch. So we receive and we get 404. That not found. And let's see in the now in the APIs we will see why this error is there. My post get, it is getting 404, not 200. So we have to API slash my post page first. This is there. So let's see it. Is it my post? So the my post has not been added, and that is the issue. So let's add it here. Add it here. So you can see it's my post again, and in that we will be using slash API slash my post, and this will be API slash search. We have to change that as well. So for search, let's do it here. Again, we will do this, but this time it will send no data found. Still, so now you can see no module name extension. And it is found in the my post as well. So it is in the applications. So we have missed this. We have added that. See, we get 500. So we get some error. And error as internal server error occurred, list object has no attribute items. So let's see where that could have occurred. So this same code in the post APIs as well. Let's try the post APIs as well. Here we get some data, right? And it is the same because of the pagination. And does we did the pagination in the my post? So if you see this, we haven't do the pagination, and that's why we are getting that error. Again, we have to do this thing. Let me add that. Now it won't have any error. Stating list object don't have remove pages. Now let me remove this and see this. Temp post instead of post. So we are making the same mistake. We get a quick change here. It restarted. Now it's again true. Now you get that. So we get something. It require post ID and then caption. So let's try to do that. Let's find out the post ID, or got here, right? We got the post ID here. So we will try to change its caption. This is the first image to test. All right. So now you can see it sent that error occurred. This is not supported to instance of date time and int. Okay. So date time dot now dot timestamp dot timestamp. 60,000. 60 seconds. So less than 36. Let's see. Thing not allowed. We are getting perfect message because it says the time is already been passed. Right? So delete will similarly we will check for delete. Fail to fetch post ID. Not this. See in the app.py slash API slash post ID. For delete, we just require this. No parameter is required. code. Ready? What it was? Parameter. Path. Post deleted. It has worked. Alright. So we have worked on this. Notification is already done. Comment is already done. Search for user. Let's try that. So let's query was TE. First we search for some user which is already exists. So let's see for search. It says search. Comma admin. So let's try this way. We are getting messages. This is because of this. Let me try this and we'll try logging with the admin as well and do that. In self, So we are getting 415. It has some error here. It has found some user, but it is stating that it's unsupported media type. So we have to resolve this. Let's wait for that. So tomorrow we will come back with this. The only API that need to be do this, and also we will add one post as well, and we will mark this through as well. So we have to find the unsupported media type error. So it is based on the 415. So basically, it is the error which is getting from the pagination word. I hope that could be one of the possible reason, and we have to find out actually. F pagination, paginated user. So there could be some other possible reason. I have to find that. So let's come back tomorrow. We will resolve this issue. We will test the other APIs as well, and most of them are from the for the admin. So that's all from my side on today. Let's come back tomorrow and with that issue resolution and test